are members of the community showing symptoms, and it was determined that the number of persons that patient one interacted with, and the closeness of that interaction, and the numbers that interacted with others, created a scenario where we felt containment within the community was the best approach. So within that context, the idea is to limit those persons in the first instance moving out, just in case they are positive, so they don't spread it beyond the borders of the community. And within the community itself, in protection of those who may not have come in contact, we try to limit the movement to their immediate surroundings, their yards, for example. But we send persons in there to talk to them, to collect information, and then to determine who we need to